Hi, it's Dan from Nathan Travel the World, and today we're here at the Sheraton Vistana Cascades Phase, Unit 2173, a two-bedroom lock-off in Lake Buena Vista, Florida, just the other side of Highway 4 across from Walt Disney World. We're here today for not just a room tour, but to tell you our experience staying in this unit. Now, we have been here for a full week. We're here for a few more days. We waited until now to give you a perspective of not just a standard room tour, but what it's like staying in one of these units. So let's get started. So as you come in the door, on the right, you will see 1, 2, looks like 3 closets, but it's not. This first one right by the door is for the iron and ironing board, vacuum. So this closet here is not really usable, so don't be misled by all these closets. The next door is to the one-bedroom portion of this two-bedroom lock-off unit. We're staying, Nancy and I, just in the one-bedroom portion, but that is where the adjoining door is to the one-bedroom unit to make it a two-bedroom lock-off. And then this third door. This is where you will have your stacked washer and dryer. They work very well, but I will tell you that do not plan on doing laundry when you go to bed. Do not plan on doing laundry when you're sitting down for dinner, because again, these slats, they're open. It's not solid, and so both the washer and the dryer are extremely noisy. Let's get a little camera angle of that, perhaps. So both the washer and the dryers, with this not being a solid door, but slats with openings, it is very loud and very noisy. So just plan accordingly. Now, as we scan the living area of the unit, let's go over to the left for the kitchen. And this is a really good sized kitchen. We've cooked dinners here, coffee maker. I got to tell you about the coffee maker. It's not a new coffee maker, not a new stove. I'll tell you, it's my favorite. Why? Because you don't have to wait until the coffee is done to start drinking coffee. We'll tell you how many cups have been made, have been brewed, but even if it's just, say, 4 out of 8 cups brewed, you just push your coffee mug in there and out comes the coffee. It's brilliant. Love that. Standard dishwashing machine, again, sinks, so on. Pretty standard for condos for rent here in the Lake Buena Vista area. Yes, the stove, microwave, it'll work. I will tell you about the oven. We have used it, but there is no, there we go. There's no pan here if you want to, for example, bake some salmon or bake some cookies. So we had to improvise. How did we improvise? Well, by using these very large casserole dishes and some butter underneath the salmon. Again, toaster, blender, making, adult beverages or just frozen smoothies, freezer, all there with the ice maker, standard capacity refrigerator portion. Dishes do you receive here at Sheraton Vistana? Well, everything from wine glasses, cups, oversized cups, glass. Over here, you can see for the kiddos, some large plastic cups, and not paper plates, but regular traditional plates, good sized coffee mugs, ceramic. 3 different sizes of bowls, if you can believe that. There we go. Plates. Over here is your cutlery. As I said, we've cooked many meals here already. So very familiar with some of these utensils. So all in all, a very efficient, very convenient kitchen setup. Let's continue. And so all in all, a very efficient, very convenient kitchen setup. let's continue to see the rest of the one bedroom by the two bedroom lock-off. Some bar stools that are actually pretty comfortable, the leather backing. So dining table, tables for four chairs. Here's the living area with two lamps, one that floor to ceiling type, and one is on the end table. It includes, as you saw, this modern type of couch with the lounger portion at one end. And I will have to say, and this is really important if you are going to be working here, have smart devices, need recharging, this entire unit has these charging outlets all over the place. I'm showing you here is the electrical outlet. The lower portion, the top portion has a USB and a USB-C outlet. We'll see many of those. Look from the living room area. There's wide angle view for you of the rest of the living area. Now here is one of the small desks. I've been personally using this a lot, again, for our videos. And here's another example of the electrical outlets, charging areas right built in. So on the left and the right, electrical outlets, in the middle, two USB ports. Now Nancy's been working while she's been here. And so you can see her extension cord here going into this electrical outlet. Did not have a working one on this wall. There's no electrical outlet, surprisingly, against this wall. So she had to use an extension cord while working at the dining room table. Okay. Let's continue now with this unit. It's on the third floor, unit 2173 in building 3. Cascades phase at Sheraton Vistana, so we have a skylight, which is pretty cool. Now, what's it like watching TV early in the morning, late at night? Huge widescreen, several drawers for storage, a Bose sound bar. I'm going to use that. From here, let's go into the bedroom. Now, a few things to say about this bedroom so you're not caught unawares. It is a standard, king-size bed. But did you notice? You've got to be careful. Either the mattress is too short or the bed frame is too long. I'll let you be the judge. And even over here, you see more exposed bed frame. So just be careful a little bit when you're entering bed at night or getting out in the morning. As well, be aware, now this is a double-edged sword. The Vistana started having this bench at the foot of the bed, a few years ago. And it is great if you're putting on socks in the morning or shoes in the morning. But I will tell you, at night, even during the day, but especially at night when it's dark, it has been more than once when I've hit my shin right there. So I'm trying to get onto this side of the bed. Thank goodness it is padded. Okay, let's continue talking about what it's like to live in this one bedroom lock-off unit here at Sheraton Vistana in Lake Buena Vista, Florida. It's 3 full-size drawers. Here's where the phone is located on this side of the bed. Clock radio, I will tell you all the devices in this unit. There's 3 of them, the microwave, the oven, and this clock radio. They all show different times of the day. So use your own watch. Electrical outlets for charging, several. Let me just move the pillows a little bit. And you can see right here, as was the case on the small desk that I used and I showed you in the living room, here on the left, and 2 USB cords in the middle for charging. The clock radio as well has 2 electrical outlets. So lots of areas for charging, which is fantastic. If you're in bed, you want to watch TV. See, if the bed's on the small size, but it's fine. We didn't come here to watch TV. So for us, that's fine. Much larger TV, I showed you, in the living room. And yes, there is a door from the master bedroom right to where Nancy is, the balcony. See that? Always comes locked. So you can come right out. More electrical outlets for charging right there, 2 of them. So you can come out to the balcony. There's Nancy. And so this view we have on the 3rd floor. You can see the basketball court, fitness center, and other phases of Sheraton Vistana. Notice the entire balcony is screened in, which is great. We've had a few meals out here without having to worry about the bugs at night. All right, let's go back inside. But that door to the balcony from the master bedroom is really convenient. Okay, let's continue. So as you saw, 4 drawers in the dresser towards the foot of the bed. What is the closet like? Well, I'll tell you, and we could have asked for more. We could have used more hangers, but there's enough. Here's the safe. And it is large enough for Nancy's laptop and other items. That's where we store our 2 big suitcases. It's my backpack, extra bedding. So this closet, it's not overly large, but it more than does the job for us. All right, so continuing from looking at the closet. Now, Disney, on their cruise ships, is famous for having a split bathroom. Gotta give props in this case to Sheraton Vistana. They have a triple split bathroom. That's right, triple split. What do I mean? Well, here you've got the jacuzzi whirlpool tub, along with the sink. So is what Nancy uses. There's also makeup mirror, and the regular mirror with the light all around it, more electrical outlets. Here's bathroom number 2. So I've been using this one again. Another sink, that fancy mirror. No drawers here. However, here's bathroom number 3 for this 3-way split. You've got the toilet and the shower with, yes, a safety bar, grab bar. In the 3rd portion, we can close the door. So, a 3-way split for the bathroom. Really convenient, really convenient. I wish more vacation homes and more condos and Disney Vacation Club units and hotels had this type of 3-way split bathroom. Very convenient, very convenient. Okay, let's go back into the main living area. Again, this is what the kitchen looks like. We saw those 3 doors there. The front door, the kitchen, the eating area, living room. There's my work desk, TV, and there's a sliding door out to the same balcony. So there you have it. This is what it's like to live in the 1-bedroom portion of a 2-bedroom lockoff here at Sheraton Vistana in the Cascades phase. Again, unit 2173 on the 3rd floor in building 3. We've quite enjoyed it. Is it perfect? Absolutely not. Is it, well, what would we score? We would give it an 8.5 to 9 out of 10. Very functional, very eye-appealing. We really like it. We hope that helped. And if this video did help you with your planning on your next vacation to the Lake Buena Vista area, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps us out a lot. And consider subscribing for more videos on the real experience, what it's like to travel to different places across the globe, including here, right across from Disney World. Thanks so much for watching. And here are 2 more videos for you about our adult travel adventures for you. Bye for now.